Okay guys, hello world. This video is property OcRefrigeration.com and OcRefrigeration at H.V.A.C. Hey, today we got a problem with a blowing fuse. It takes about a week and 3 days to blow a fuse. Hot weather, California. So we got like a 4-ton, like a carrier, rooftop package. Got exposed ductwork here, so we might be superheating some return. But we got a, I don't know if this thing will zoom in on this, but it's a carrier model 50ZH-048, so 4-ton -- 501 serial 1201. So December of 01, or actually 12th week of 2001 this was made. 208 3-phase unit. We got 30 amp fuses over there. We got the center leg is hot. The fuse is actually changing color. 208 3-phase. What's our fuse rating on this thing? For none, for heat. Minimum circuit amps 22.6. Fuse or circuit breaker 30. So looks like we're fused right. Got no heat, extra electrical heat in there, so that's that. So 208 3-phase compressor and single phase, 208 single phase indoor and outdoor motors respectively, indoor blower, outdoor condenser fan motor. Take in, customer replaced the fuses and they lasted I think 3 days after he did it. And what we got, as you can see, is we got a hot, although you can see I got the power off and everything. Actually I got the line off downstairs, the breaker, circuit breaker off. So anyways, he put in these fuses, and he put in the right fuses and everything, slow blows, but this center fuse is changing color, and we got a burned wire here at the top a little bit heating up. So I'm guessing the disconnect is probably, so I'll probably check the load and everything, but I'm guessing the disconnect might be loose. I'll have to check this part when it goes in and out of here. So we'll have to see what's going on there. But I gotta chop that piece of wire. I tried to pull the wire out so it doesn't, the wire's tight in there, so that wasn't a problem. So any of you guys got any suggestions, you can put it down in the comments, but you can see that center one's blown and it's hot. So let's see what's going on here. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.